Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to add reaction roles in Discord. Open Discord and head to the server where you want to add reaction rules. In your computer's browser, visit carl.gg. This safe bot is popular on over 7 million servers. Log in with your Discord account, select your server, and authorize the Carl bot. Click on Continue. And in here, scroll down and click on Authorize. A pop-up box will appear for verification. And go to Discord. After adding the bot, create roles for your reaction rules by going to Server Settings, Roles, Create Roles. Customize roles like green and red, and then click on Save Changes. Click on this back icon. Move the CarlBot role to the top of the list and save changes. Optionally, create a new text channel for your reaction roles. Join any text channel. Type reaction role make and specify the message channel. Create a title like Reaction Roles. Set a color using a hex code. And link roles to emojis. Once linked, type Done to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can create reaction roles where users select emojis to gain specific roles. Changing your username color throughout the server based on these roles becomes possible. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!